Your truly free non-toxic softening rinse gives you the softest clothes without any toxic and harmful chemicals. Using a non-toxic citric acid formula, your softening rinse not only naturally softens clothing, but also removes static and gives an extra cleaning edge to your laundry wash. Refilling your jug takes less than 45 seconds. Just add warm water to the shoulder fill line, pour in 1 softening rinse refill pouch, top off with water and shake. It's so simple to use. Choose your ounce depending on the size of the load. For regular size loads, start with 1 ounce for an HE washer. For larger size loads, add an additional 1 ounce. For standard washing machines, start with 2 ounce for a regular size load. And for larger size loads, add an additional 1 ounce of softening rinse. If you have a front loading machine, simply add your softening rinse in the fabric softener section of your washing machine. Don't have a fabric softener compartment? Simply add directly to your washer during the rinse cycle. Want to add a non-toxic scent to your unscented softening rinse? Just add about 15 to 20 drops of essential oils to your mixed jug. And that's it. Now you're ready to get the freshest, cleanest, and softest clothes without ever using toxic phosphates, thickeners, or brighteners like other fabric softeners use. And remember, add more refill packages to your next box so you'll never run out at trulyfreehome.com today.